Remember I burped in your face? Like 2 seconds before we went on stage.
Oh my God. I have to tell everyone here something that this person did to me.
I'm sorry about it.
We were about to go on stage. Moments. The curtain was about to open. The music was starting.
Yeah.
She burped into my face. And then she goes, oh, don't worry, it's just dumplings. As if it's somehow better to let me know what I'm smelling while I'm about to walk on and greet thousands of people.
I had eaten like $60 worth of dumplings that day. They were so good.